I know what I'm doing. Look at how he barely got that spinnerbait. Unreal. You know, we're out here on Logan Martin right now. I haven't fished here a whole bunch. We got some dirty water here, guys. We got some rain a couple weeks ago, about a week and a half ago, and it has been pumping water through the system, through the Coosa River like crazy. It's December, early December, and you know, I've got the option for this tournament to either stay north where it's a little more narrow. It's more of a, I don't want to say it like it's more of a river, but it is more narrow, and all these fish are more concentrated. And the bottom end of this lake, the south end, is a lot clearer. So I'm kind of rolling with the dirty water today. You know, this is my first day of pre-fishing. I just want to see what's going on. I'm going to change my mentality a little bit and run this dirty water pattern. Hopefully be able to make some big ones react a little better. So you guys stay tuned. That was cool. Absolutely choked that crankbait. That come from right there, huh? The old shaking ace. That right there, boys and girls. It's that time of year. Oh. You cannot make this up. There's absolutely no chance in hell that just happened. What the heck? That was bad to the bone. That's like, I can't believe I got that on GoPro. I don't even know what to say. That was some crazy luck right there. That was sick. That's my first glide bait fish. Off to a good start. I'm probably gonna stay up here. I have to. It's not enough to where like I feel like somebody who doesn't have confidence in dirty water would stay. I'm not saying I have confidence in dirty water, but I'm more confident in making a big one react in dirty water. I 100% agree with that. Second cast with one of my homemade spinnerbaits. I've been going down this little rock stretch. I'm like, shoot, I'm not getting anything. So I'm like, I bet they haven't seen a Colorado blade in a second. It's a nice 2-pound spotted bass. I'm telling you, I've thrown a lot of baits on this stretch. I made a lot of casts going down, just a super basic stretch. Maybe that was a fluke, but that was too good a timing not to mention that I just changed the blades on my spinnerbait. Homemade spinnerbait. is getting it done. Oh yeah, that's more like it right there. Oh yeah, that is a chunky spotted bass. It's probably the biggest one I caught out here. Close to 3 pounds. Felt that thing tap it, and then right on the bottom of its lip right there. Dang. That's all that had it. Having fun, gaining confidence in a crankbait down south. Something I don't do much up north, so it's been a fun time learning how to apply these things and make them work. One thing I want to point out to you guys, I just made the switch to a speed worm instead of a trick worm. This is something that I've done a couple times in dirty water. Nice chunky largemouth. Super obvious thing to do, but I think a lot of people overlook it sometimes, myself included. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. They're keeping the generators on out here, coming from Neely Henry Dam, which is the one that feeds all the current into Logan Martin. It's gonna keep this current rolling. Should work out really well for my bite. Hopefully keeping fish cycling back and forth on these little spot on the spots that I've found. Let's go. Ace jig bass. They're just biting everywhere right now. I love this. There we go. Right where it's supposed to be. Come on in here. Oh, I love bass fishing so much. It's a little late, you know. It's never a bad time to throw a buzzbait, but you know, it's not prime time right now. I was reeling it right past one of these wooden docks. It got to this cross beam, and I turned it into that beam. As soon as the blade touched it, this thing crushed it. Nice, fat, spotted bass. A topwater bite just never gets old. That was awesome. I don't know what to say. I don't know if I go up or down now because I've caught 3 3-pounders.